Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Devereaux, and today we have part number 4 showing you how to make $100 per day with list building by using Google Adwords. And today's topic is landing pages. So let's jump into the content. Hey guys, and welcome back to our series showing you how to make $100 per day with a list building by using Google Adwords. And today's topic is landing page. So we're gonna go through a couple of points what's important when you are creating your landing page and an example by our lead magnet that I have created for you. So let's go and jump to the first slide, which is up here. So here we're gonna go through the couple of tips what you need to look at when you're creating your landing page. So let's have a look. So optimize your landing page. So you want to optimize the landing page to convert as many visitors as possible into leads. So we are talking about email leads. But keep in mind that you need to follow the Google Ads guidelines to not get rejected by the Google algorithm. So they will actually check everything if it's congruent with the message you are saying inside the lead magnet campaign. So the content on the landing page must be relevant to the search terms, so Google keywords you selected for your lead magnet campaign. And it doesn't disrupt the experience of their users in any way. So it needs to be congruent. So the message that you are giving with your ad copy, so the keywords that you are targeting and the copy on the landing page that you are saying. So all these need to be congruent. So making the landing page as relevant as possible to the keyword you are targeting in the Google lead campaign. So the copy needs to be congruent through the entire funnel from the ad copy, lead magnet content and the landing page, like I just mentioned before. And here below I have screenshot our lead magnet valuable free content that we're gonna use for these tutorials. So the bulletproof keto diet, because we're gonna go in keto diet niche. And here on the right side is a screenshot of the landing page to collect the email leads. And these two need to be congruent. So the message needs to be exactly the same. The landing page that you are seeing here, I have created inside the Getresponse autoresponder. So the email autoresponder software that we're gonna jump now, and I will show you how I have created this landing page. It is very simple. You can use pre-made landing page templates that you need to update the images and the copy to be congruent with the lead magnet and the message inside the ad lead campaign. So let's jump to a Getresponse now. Alright, so here we are inside the Getresponse account, which is a brand new that I have created for just this series. And here we are on the main menu, and we're gonna go to create a landing page up here. So we're gonna click up here and we're gonna come to the section where you can choose the pre-made landing pages that I have grabbed for the landing page that you saw just before. So you can go all templates here, or you can go by sign up and registration. So either way. And then just scroll down and find something that is congruent with your offer. So with your lead magnet and your niche selected. So I have went through all of these and I have selected this here. So healthy living, but you have many other options that you can choose from. So they have a lot of landing pages. So you can go even this one. So anyway, you're gonna be changing the copy of the landing page and the images, so that's not a problem. Just find the design of the landing page that suits your offer and that looks fine with you, right? So let's jump to the landing page that I have created for this tutorial, which is up here. So the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook. So get started by downloading our free keto diet guide to losing weight. So this is the pain that the ideal audience has, and the solution we are giving for free. So free valuable content. It is a free Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook that they can download it for free by giving us an email address just here below and click get now. So this is the top head of the landing page. So here are some kind of bullet points, so you can give them an overview what they're gonna get inside the valuable content, so ebook, let's say. And here below it is again a call to action to click get the free keto diet ebook and an additional copy about the ebook. So here you want to change all the websites and all that. Absolutely, you can change colors, like I said, images, copy, so pretty much everything to suit your lead magnet and the niche that you are promoting in. Alright guys, so this would be everything for today's video. It is a very short video explaining how to create a very easy landing page.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.